Visual. A dimly lit bedroom. A senior man in his 60s or 70s suddenly wakes up in the middle of the night, grabbing his leg in pain. He grimaces and sits on the edge of the bed, rubbing his calf. Clock shows 3:17 a.m. Soft, tense music plays. Voiceover begins. Voiceover, gentle but serious. Have you ever been woken up in the middle of the night by a sharp, painful cramp in your leg? The kind that makes you jump out of bed, rubbing your calf or foot, trying anything to make it stop. Cut to a close-up of the man trying to stretch his leg, visibly frustrated and tired. You're not alone. Millions of seniors experience nighttime leg cramps, painful, unexpected muscle spasms that often strike when you're just trying to rest. Visual, flash to a woman around 65 seated at her kitchen table in the morning, rubbing her leg and looking exhausted. They disrupt your sleep, leave you tired the next day. It can even increase your risk of falling or losing balance. 2. Lingering muscle tightness. Cut to a dramatic line on screen, but what if the cause is something you're not even aware of? Visual shifts to a split screen. Left side shows someone in bed with cramps. Right side shows a magnesium deficiency. Chart. One of the most common and overlooked causes of leg cramps in older adults is low magnesium. And the shocking part? Most people over 60 are magnesium deficient and don't even know it. Cut to you, the expert doctor, in a calm setting. You look straight into the camera. You serious? Yet reassuring. As we age, our bodies naturally absorb less magnesium from food, add medications, reduced appetite, or diet changes, and the deficiency worsens quietly over time. Visual chart shows magnesium deficiency symptoms: cramps, fatigue, muscle twitching, poor sleep. You continued. And that's when the cramps start, usually at night. When your muscles are tired and your magnesium stores are at their lowest. Cut back to the senior man now sleeping peacefully after making a few small diet changes. Text overlay. Relief in as little as 7 days. The good news? With just a few simple changes to your diet by adding magnesium-rich foods, many seniors feel noticeable relief from leg cramps in just 7 days. Welcome back. Now that you know how painful leg cramps can disrupt your life, let me explain why magnesium is so important, especially for seniors. Cut to simple animated graphics of muscles contracting and relaxing. Magnesium is a vital mineral that plays a key role in muscle function. It helps your muscles relax after contraction. When magnesium levels are low, your muscles can't relax properly, leading to those sudden painful cramps. Visual animation showing magnesium. Molecules interacting with muscle cells, preventing spasms. In fact, magnesium acts like a natural muscle relaxant. Without enough magnesium, your muscles are more prone to involuntary contractions or spasms, which we experience as cramps. Cut to chart illustrating common symptoms of magnesium deficiency: muscle cramps, fatigue, restless legs, and poor sleep. As we age, our bodies absorb less magnesium from food, and many medications can deplete magnesium levels further. Combine that with lower dietary intake, and magnesium deficiency becomes very common in seniors. Visual. Seniors taking medications, preparing food with low magnesium content. This deficiency often goes unnoticed because the symptoms are subtle and can be mistaken for normal aging. But the truth is, low magnesium can significantly affect your quality of life, causing frequent cramps, muscle weakness, and even sleep disturbances. Cut back to you, the great news? Replenishing magnesium through your diet is simple and effective. It can help relax your muscles, reduce cramps, and improve your overall well-being, often within just a week. Visual. You holding a bowl of magnesium-rich foods like spinach, almonds, and avocado. In the next scene, I'll show you the top 3 magnesium-rich foods that can help prevent leg cramps and keep your muscles healthy. Now that we understand why magnesium is essential, let's talk about the first and one of the best natural sources of magnesium: spinach. This leafy green is truly a powerhouse when it comes to muscle health. Cut to close-up shots of fresh spinach leaves being washed and added to a cooking pot or salad bowl. 1 cup of cooked spinach contains about 157 milligrams of magnesium, which is roughly 40% of the daily recommended intake for seniors. That means just a small serving can make a big difference in your magnesium levels. Visual, nutritional facts overlay showing magnesium content, fiber, and other vitamins like potassium and calcium. Spinach is also rich in potassium and calcium, which work together with magnesium to keep your muscles functioning properly. Potassium helps regulate muscle contractions, while calcium supports nerve function. Cut to you preparing a simple spinach omelet or smoothie. The great thing about spinach is how easy it is to include in your daily diet. You can add it to salads, soups, omelets, or blend it into smoothies. Even a small portion can help relax your muscles and reduce the frequency of cramps. Visual: an elderly person happily eating a spinach salad at the dining table, smiling and relaxed. For seniors, adding magnesium-rich foods like spinach can help improve muscle relaxation, reduce those sudden nighttime cramps, and even support better sleep quality. Cut back to you in the kitchen. Remember, consistency is key. Eating spinach regularly for just a week can start showing noticeable results. But don't stop here. There are 2 more magnesium-rich foods you should know about to maximize the benefits. Welcome back. Now that you know how powerful spinach can be for easing leg cramps, let me introduce you to 2 more magnesium-rich foods that are just as effective and delicious: almonds and avocados. Cut 2 close-up shots of a handful of raw almonds being poured into a small bowl. Almonds are a fantastic snack that packs a serious magnesium punch. Just 1 ounce, about a handful, provides roughly 76 milligrams of magnesium, which is nearly 20% of your daily recommended intake. Plus, almonds contain healthy fats and protein that support overall muscle and nerve health. Nutritional facts overlay showing magnesium, healthy fats, and protein content in almonds. Snacking on almonds is an easy way to boost your magnesium levels throughout the day. Whether you eat them raw, roasted, or add them to yogurt or salads, they're a convenient and tasty option. Cut to you slicing an avocado and spreading it on whole grain toast. Next up, avocados, nature's creamy, nutrient-dense fruit. 1 medium avocado contains about 58 milligrams of magnesium, plus potassium and healthy monounsaturated fats that help maintain muscle function and reduce cramping. Visual: close-up of avocado toast, smoothie, and avocado slices. Avocados also help regulate electrolyte balance, which is crucial because electrolyte imbalances often trigger muscle spasms and cramps. Adding avocado to your meals can improve muscle relaxation and keep cramps at bay. Cut to an elderly person enjoying almond snacks and avocado toast at a kitchen table, smiling. For seniors, incorporating almonds and avocados into daily meals is a delicious way to support magnesium intake and keep leg cramps under control. Back to you. Remember, combining these foods regularly helps create a magnesium-rich diet that can lead to noticeable improvements in muscle comfort and sleep quality within just a week. Now that you know the top 3 magnesium-rich foods, spinach, almonds, and avocados, it's time to put this knowledge into action. The key to reducing leg cramps and improving muscle health is consistency. Cut to visuals of a senior preparing a simple spinach salad, snacking on almonds, and enjoying avocado toast. Try to include these foods in your daily meals. For example, start your day with avocado toast, or add spinach to your breakfast omelet. Keep a small bowl of almonds handy for a healthy snack anytime. Visual: text overlay with simple meal ideas: breakfast, spinach omelet, or avocado toast. Snack: a handful of almonds, lunch, dinner. Add spinach to soups or salads. You continued. In just 7 days of consistently eating magnesium-rich foods, many seniors notice a reduction in the frequency and intensity of leg cramps. Remember, hydration is also essential. Drinking enough water helps your muscles stay relaxed and healthy. Cut to a senior walking comfortably outside, smiling, enjoying life. Along with these dietary changes, try to stay physically active by gently stretching your legs daily. Movement, hydration, and magnesium-rich foods work together to support healthy muscles. Back to you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with friends or family members who might also be struggling with leg cramps. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more practical health tips designed especially for seniors. Text on screen: Start your magnesium journey today. Your muscles will thank you. Your final words? Take care of your body. Nourish it with the right foods and enjoy peaceful, cramp-free nights. Your health is your greatest wealth.